So let me go over real quickly what you're going to be doing for the big first part of this project. Okay, so what we're going to be learning is a new thing from TinkerCad. So you're going to need to go to tinkercad.com, sign in, and depending on how you do it, you can sign in with Social Provider. And then what you're going to be doing is we're going to be checking out their new beta version for code blocks. Okay, so you're going to click over here to code blocks. Okay, and it's going to be, we're going to go right to this quick start guide. However, some of you may have already been ahead, so just in case you don't know where to find it, you can go right here and then quick start guide. Okay, now the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to split screen this. So make one screen over here and the other one over here with the actual TinkerCad, and you're just going to click on new design, so that way you can mess with what you need to do. Now, obviously I've gone through these. You can see they have check marks. So what you're going to need to do is start from number 1, okay, and just go through, because it's going to teach you all the different things and how to use the code blocking. Okay, and so over here you're going to have your new design. Over here you're going to go through each one, and you can just keep clicking next and going through. Now please don't ask me questions about things such as how to run this stuff, because this is what the purpose is. You need to figure out by going through this tutorial. Okay, now I will help you with it, but you can see it's going to go through all the different things, and I would follow along with this video, or this actual, looks like, slideshow, in order to make sure that you understand how to do everything. Okay, and then after that, you get through this, then you'll be actually ready to actually code a design of your creation. Okay, and so once you're done, then you'll be ready to move on to the next part.